It will feel like summer this afternoon here in southern New England, and it's only, April 13th. We are looking at temps in the 80s today. Let's get a look, first of all, at what's happening across the area. Here's Newport. Very calm morning, cooler than yesterday morning. A look at Lincoln. We've got clear skies. I saw an amazing fireball on my way in to the station this morning. Probably part of the Eta Aquariids, which is pieces of Halley's Comet that currently the Earth is moving through right now. Live radar, nice and dry across all of southern New England. Threat tracker for today, Friday and Saturday, generally pretty quiet for the next few days. But once again, we don't have a fire weather warning, but we do have an elevated fire risk for today. That's what it's called. We'll call it a moderate risk of fires to spread pretty quickly. It's still very dry out there. Relative humidity will still be very low through the afternoon hours. So no fire pits, no burning, no fireworks. Be careful how you discard cigarettes today. Temperatures, look at this, in the 40s and 50s. We're at 44 in Taunton right now, 51 in Providence, 54 Coventry. Richmond is at 50 degrees. We're really quiet across all of the Northeast. We do have a front kind of draped right across southern New England, and you look, there's not much in the way of clouds anywhere across the eastern half of the country. Now, the front will be heading northward today, making room for warm air to flood into southern New England as we head through the afternoon hours. We'll be in the 80s today. Now, tomorrow morning, a cold front will be in the neighborhood. And this is what we call a backdoor cold front, where typically fronts move in from the west into the east. Well, this one's coming in from the back door, from the northeast, working its way into the southeast. So Boston may briefly top out in the 80s tomorrow, but as the front sags its way on off to the south, they'll be cooling off. I think we'll be in the 80s tomorrow afternoon, but eventually by late in the day, it'll be cooling off really quickly, especially during the evening hours as that front passes on by. And then it kind of stalls out for Friday night into Saturday morning, clouds thicken up, and we'll be finally seeing some rain showers working in here. I'm thinking by late day Saturday or Saturday night, somewhere in that time frame. For today, we are looking at temperatures. Boy, look at this, 84. That's near record warmth. The record is 85, so we could easily break a record for today with lots of sunshine. It'll be cooler at the coastline, in the 70s there. That's still pretty impressive. 57 degrees for an overnight low tonight with mainly clear skies. And then for tomorrow, we're going to do it all over again. We're going to have to watch that backdoor cold front. If it comes a little bit quicker, these temperatures might get knocked down a little bit. But I'm still thinking low to maybe mid 80s tomorrow afternoon, with the winds becoming more southerly tomorrow. And that's why I shaved a couple of degrees off the forecast high temperature, only because of the more southerly component to the wind tomorrow. Here's your 7-day forecast. Nonetheless, it's still beautiful the next couple of days. Summer-like. Saturday, we'll see some showers arriving by late day or evening. Some light rain showers possible on Sunday. And they might still be around first thing on Monday morning, but I think we'll be drying out as we head through late morning on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday looking okay, but notice the cooler temperatures beginning Saturday and continuing into the middle part of next week. Full forecast can always be found at WPRI.com.